Right, Charlie boy. Didn't see you there. How's it going, mate? Here, do you want to try a few of these? They're good for a laugh. Don't be a wee girl. They're harmless. You'll love it. Attaboy, Charlie.
Bobby, how you feeling? Bobby? Bobby? It's okay, Bobby. I've got you everything you need from the chemist. You'll be feeling much better soon. Brilliant. Lost one of your bottles, Bobby. Good one, Alison. Now some nowhere's going to find it and have the time of his life. Will you lie here in agony?
Music.
What's that, Bobby?
Music.
Oh, you want the music on?
Right, mate. Here's something for you.
My life has been tainted with sadness. My life has been tarnished by pain. It's a year to the day since I drifted away, left town on the first morning train. I should not have run from my problems.
Oh, sorry, Alison. Did I frighten you there? Nice, Bobby. I thought you'd like some chicken soup.
Oh, Aunt Jane, I'm glad you're here. Will you look after him for 5 minutes? I have to go and find someone.
Rob me of what I cherish most. Oh.
You know, you'll never make any money busking on this street. It's dead. It always is.
Did you lose something?
Yes, it's for my brother. Did you find it?
I was just minding him for you.
What's your name?
Charlie.
Thank you, Charlie. You know, you look kind of cold. Would you like some chicken soup?
Chicken soup, made from chickens from the chicken coop. When there's a hole in your heart and you're out of control. Chicken soup, redemption never tasted so good.